Okay, so I'm with Punani here. We've been tasked with handling the animations. So what we're gonna do now is we're just gonna spend time watching videos of an old man explaining how to source your character from Mixamo. And the reason why we're doing that is because we do want our graphics to look a bit nice. So we're not gonna work on our own character. We are working with Blender, so we just want to learn how to work with the animations through Blender and how everything is going to work. So let's go.
Results. Then in the next video we're going to use Blender to package the animations into a single file. And in the final video for this section we'll create a simple test app to display the animations. First let's open Mixamo at Mixamo Options mode. Choose will only work.
Okay, that's fine. Now
we finished watching the video and here's what we can say. Like basically I'm gonna try and explain the process of how the character came about. So at first I don't know if we can switch. Where's the I think you can move the
on this.
Didn't we show this video in the first thing?
In this video,
so they know we're watching this video.
Oh yeah.
To the files folder. Right.
Yeah.
So we downloaded the character from Maximo and okay, so here are the files. Okay. So the first download of the character introduces us to this idle file, right? It's the largest of what's this thing? It's the largest file, yeah? That shows the most idle action of the character. But then when we have to download the other actions of the character, they come in smaller sizes compared to the other packages. Okay. So we downloaded the skins of the character, and as you can see here, the first initial skin that we downloaded was too large, so we had to resize it. We use an application called Fitter. Okay, so we've explained the process of where we got the character and us actually downloading the character. And now we're gonna show how we're gonna combine the skin of the character and all of its actions into one full character that's gonna be used in our game. So on Blender, you have to import all the files that you downloaded and then combine them like it's an iterative process. Okay, so that's all of the actions combined, and as you can see on the screen, it looks a bit weird, but yeah, that's everything. So we've combined all the actions and the skin of the character, and this is the final version of the character that you see on the game.
Okay, so that's the characters. We are positive that it works. So yeah, let's see if we can get this working in VS Code.
So as we've explained before, this section of the video is us basically showing the final character We've managed to combine the skin and all the actions, and this is how the character works. The video quality actually.
So far as we're working with the animations inside of VS Code. So we imported the model from Blender, the GLB file. Now we're just working with the animation mixers. We're also working with the action clips. We're trying to like get the actions. The actions are basically like jump, roll, move like left and right, things like that. Even the victory. So we're gonna take that with like the action clips. We're gonna try and extract it. We're gonna try and play it. We are experiencing the issue of the characters animations not being smooth, but we're definitely working on that. We decided that our controls are going to be WASD. Besides WASD, we're working on putting shift for quick roll, and spacebar for jump. Yeah, that's basically what we're busy with now. We'll give you guys an update on whether we are going to fix the animations, because when the animation plays, it's kind of like it resets. We'll play a short screen recording of what we mean by that. We managed to actually get the animations running. We'll show you guys. We did experience problems with the animations not being smooth, but this is basically how things are going now. Yeah, so this is the character running around the prison. Can you just quickly go upstairs? Yeah, so as you can see, we actually managed to get the animations of the character. At this point, the collision systems wasn't working, or is not working yet. Guys, so it's me and Trust God here. We just finished up the animation. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna work on the collision system. Without the collision system, the game would kind of be too easy, because the character would just walk through walls, and the game would just be too easy.
Okay, so how we're planning to solve this is that we're gonna take the coordinates of the obstacles, we're gonna put them in a list, so that whenever the model moves, we go through the list and checks if they're not in contact with any of the obstacles. That's how we wanna go ahead with the plan right now. So yeah, that's what we're gonna implement.
Okay. Okay, so we got the collision system, so we just wanted to update you guys on the progress of the collision system.
Yeah, so just about it. When your health depletes, and then the game's gonna.
Just to give you guys an update, we are busy with the lighting for our character. What we wanted to go for is like a Venice sunset type of vibe, kind of to make our game feel warm, kind of to make our game have like a warm, dramatic feeling. So what we done was we added a directional light. As you can see, the shadows for the character and like the spinning blades and even the moving objects are only in one direction, even the blocks. I don't know if you can see there. So that is the directional light. There was shaders for the like an industrial platform type of thing, but we decided to remove that because it wasn't actually showing the shadows. So what we done was we went with a lighter shader for the purpose of us seeing the shadows. So that is why we have this at our current state. We also have a hemisphere light, and this provides like a soft, even lighting from all directions, so that it prevents things from looking too dark on one side, and an ambient light that fills in any like remaining dark spots. Yeah.